Deep in a forgotten barn, covered in 80 years of rust and dust, lies a legend, a P-51 Mustang that once ruled the skies over Europe. Expert hands begin the painstaking work. Every rivet, every panel stripped down to bare metal. This isn't just restoration, it's resurrection. The iconic Rolls-Royce Merlin engine roars back to life after decades of silence. Propeller blades spin, testing the limits of history. Fresh paint recreates the original D-Day invasion stripes. The cockpit gleams with restored instruments, ready for flight once more. Wings catch the wind as the Mustang takes to the skies again, an 80-year-old warrior flying proud, honoring those who never made it home.